Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Alright, today is Saturday and Saturdays are for
shopping.
Alright, so we're about to go and do some shopping. It's just us three. The other girls are out living their best life. I will assume they're not hanging out with us today. So we are about to go and do some shopping at Macy's and we're about to go do some shopping at the mall. Yeah, that's what we're about to do. The girls need some new jackets and it's Saturday. What else is to do on Saturdays except for shop? So we're about to go and do some shopping. And guess what? We're taking you guys along with us. So see y'all when we get to the mall. Ain't that right, Daddy? We're gonna make Daddy do some vlogging with us today, like some very interactive vlogging. Like we're gonna have him in the mix today.
In the mix.
Cause I don't have Kyler with me, so Daddy gotta be in the mix. You know, Kyler's my backup.
Yes, I'm in the mix.
Alright, so we are here at the mall and we're headed into the Macy's. It was so nice earlier. Now it's like cold out here. The sun was shining. It was nice. I didn't even have a jacket on. And I got on a jacket. It's cold. It's cold now. Yeah, that was a cute little... Kristen one. Alright, so the last time we came to the mall, I was not able to get her one of those little dogs because we like forgot. And I was like, oh crap, I forgot to get her one of those little dogs. So today, we got her a little dog. We got her a dog. We got you a dog, boo boo. Alright, so we was okay. Alright, hey guys, so we are back from the mall. Kristen actually slept on the way home and she's still sleeping. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what we got. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we went looking for a coat for the girls, but we did not find both the girls a coat, but we found one for Kaylin. Then I got Kristen just this cute little onesie with the feet in it. She really likes these, so I got her another one. It's a Carter's brand. It's pink and it has little polka dots on it with little, what's that, squirrel. So that's cute. For Kaylin, we got her this black Michael Kors hoodie with this pink trim. This coat was just, I said hoodie. This coat was really cute. I actually had this in my basket for online shipping in Macy's, but we decided to go in. But I had to order Kyler's online because they did not have one for Kyler. But it's getting cold here in Michigan, so they needed new jackets. So we got Kaylin this cute one. This jacket is just like super cute puffer jacket. One of my favorite stores today, Bath and Body Works. They had their wallflowers, $2.95. So I didn't go wallflower crazy. I just got a few of them. I think I got 4 or 5. 4. So I got 4 wallflowers. Vanilla bean. This is a candle that I burn all the time. So this is a wallflower that I got, but this is like the holiday scented one. So it's probably still smell like vanilla. And then I got this twisted peppermint. I think I got the twisted peppermint candle in the mail today. So I got the wallflower to go with it. And then I got the gingerbread marshmallow, and I got this candle in the mail today as well. Lastly for the wallflowers, I got this super cute. I cannot wait to use this. Look how cute that is. It's the little holder for the wallflowers. I have like the regular ones, but I never buy the holiday ones. So today they were $5. So these holiday ones are normally like $20. Let me see. They're normally, yeah, $20. $19.50. So this was $5 today. And I'm like, girl, you gotta get it. It's too cute. This is just like too cute. And I'm about to redo the entire living room Christmas theme. I want to do the whole living room Christmas theme. I know Christmas is a whole month away, but it is what it is. I'm about to start decorating now. So this is going to be so cute to put in the wall. Then I had a coupon for body fragrance, $15 or more, or 15 whatever. What else? Free coupons. And I got a twisted peppermint body spray for the girls. They love their body sprays. Put them on in the morning before school. Yes. So I got them some of those. And then that's it from Bath and Body Works. I'm just waiting on the candles. So I'm like so stuffed up, y'all. I'm like so stuffed up. And then like we were showing y'all when we were at the mall, got Kristen this cute little dog. Cute little dog. She's sleeping, so I can't record. I can't show you guys her playing with it. I wanted to see her reaction with it out of the box because she was so excited seeing the one at the stand and the puppy going all around in a circle. But she's taking a nap. Well, I would not even say nap because it's late. Let me see what time it is. That was our shopping trip. That was our Saturday shopping. So that's that, and we're gonna call it a night.